I came to my brother's farm and I found this guy's here. I'm gonna be fixing some electrical fixtures that are not working correctly. We installed this things many years ago, and let's see, this one here is the one I have to fix. I have to fix this 8-foot fluorescent fixture. Yeah. Anyway, lots of goats, and they're all wondering why am I standing here not feeding them. These guys are fun. Hey. Yeah, today is kind of cool morning. It's mid-40s out there. They're running. Hi. We're waiting for the soon-to-be moms to start having babies, and these are the stalls that they keep the moms when they're gonna have the babies in here. It's a total of, I believe they had like 8. And I put all those fans and light fixtures. Yeah, it's nice. Anyway, we'll get to work. Hey, shoo! All right, guys. Bye-bye. After a while, the lights are fixed. Yep, 8-foot fluorescent fixtures. They're fixed. What do you guys want? Huh? Come here, come here, come here, come here. No? Here. Here, have something. I got something for you here. I'm tricking them. Hi. Hello, girls. Hi. Hi, girl. Hello, 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 hello. Hi, girl. Hello, girl. This is how they eat. They eat all that stuff in there. I got some of my stuff. I gotta move my step ladder and tools, stuff out of the way. What are you guys waiting for, huh? What's going on up here? Just nasty mud. It's kind of a warm day, 44 degrees or so. It's just windy. Whew, I'm not stepping on that. This is the temporary area where they stay. This is stall right here. Hi. For some reason they love doing this, running in that mud. Goats. All right. I'm out of here with the goats. So this grain that is here, it's what the goats love and they stampede for. They come here and they fight for this. It has all kind of grains plus a goat concentrate. I actually taste one of these things. It's not too bad. It's kind of sweet, and it's just greens that they love. So they're gonna open the gates to allow these guys to come in, and they will come in a hurry. And here we go. And she's not gonna be doing anything. She's just gonna be sitting aside, right?
So, yeah, one thing I want you, whoever listening, I want you to know that we have more feeders than there are goats,
Oh yeah.
okay? Because they move around, and if we don't have as many feeders as there are goats, the weak ones won't get the grain.
No.
So having more than we need, all the goats get something equal.
Okay.
Okay,
That's good. I'll stay here on the side because I don't want to be trampled.
Isla, where do you stop? Wait there, good girl. Oh. Ah, what's that for? Easy. Easy.
These goats are like vacuum cleaners. They clean everything. Look at them.
You see on the spot, we're looking for the best spot.
The best spot. It's all the same. What's the matter with them? These are beef goats, right? So this is Isla. This is a trained shepherd dog, and she's gonna do her work.
Isla, can we get him out?
This is male goats.
Come on, get him out.
Get him out.
Good girl, good girl, easy, good girl. Good, get him out. Easy, 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 easy. Easy. Easy, good girl, don't let him in. Okay, okay, okay. Easy, easy, easy. We're done, we're done. Good job. Good job. Oh, shoot. All right, keep going now. Don't let him in. Good job. Good job. Let's go do the others. All right, keep going.
There you go. Go, Isla. Come on.
Tap you there. Isla, come on.
Let's go. Let's go.
Easy. Yeah, she keeps looking at me for directions.
Uh-huh.
Come on, we're going easy. 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 Good dog. No, they're fine. Just leave them. Good job. Good job.
Isla, have a seat there. Sit. Very good girl.
Some more stuff? You can try.
Isla, hi. Are you working? Yeah, she's working.
My sister's still over here in the big white room. She's a bully and she keeps all the goats from getting grain.
The bully. This is the bully of the
This
pen.
is when Island come around. And then she knows that we're here.
She ate it. Oh,
Let's see
she was here for just 2 more grains. Check it out. She finished this whole thing.
So Isla and I walk down and make sure she's not bullying any other.
Oh, she's trying to bull everyone out of the way, huh?
Look at, she pulled them all out. So I was kind of the enforcer. Sit, Isla. Sit.
Where'd she go?
Just watching. Sit. Good dog.
Bye, Ayla. 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 Hello. She doesn't listen to me. Yeah, she's a work dog. Hi, girl.
Isla, come. You're not working. Sit.
And these are empty.
Isla.
You can check this out. All right, that was it. It was fun. Bye, goats.
Have her sit. And have her stay, Pachi.
Stay. Baby, sit. Sit. Good girl.
So this is a new buck they're gonna bring out of his stall. He's kind of wild behaving buck.
No, no.
Hey.
Pachi, have her under control. Watch her.
Baby,
watch
sit.
everything.
Baby, sit.
Watch
Baby.
her. You're watching her.
Sit. Baby, baby.
Easy. Pachi, keep her in control. I don't want her doing
Baby,
anything.
come here. No.
No, Isla.
No.
Isla. Easy. Come. Isla, come. Isla, come. Easy. Ah! Good girl. No, Isla, come. Come on. Easy, easy, good girl. Easy, good girl. Easy, good girl. All right, all right. Easy, easy. Easy. Good girl. You're doing great. Easy. Moise, stand a little over here. There you go. Easy. Easy. Isla, come. Come. Okay. Go ahead, Moise. Easy, Isla. Oh, we got him, easy. Good girl. Good girl. Isla, come. Let's get him in. Isla, come. Here we go. Isla, easy. Easy. Good girl. Close the gate. So actually, Isla, come. Isla, come. Isla, come. Good dog. Out you go. Isla, come. Isla, come. Isla, come. Out. Isla, come. Isla, come. I know. He's okay. Now it's okay.
Hey.
Your job is done. Poor thing. Here.
He just got introduced to this pen where the two older bucks are. So we'll wait and see. To
It's gonna
sniff.
get ugly, let's say.
Start.
They will molest him and they will beat him up. But in the end, they'll be fine. They're not as brutal as females are. Why don't you get out of there so you don't get hurt? Because when they start beating, they don't care who's in the way.
Oh yeah,
They're not.
there they go.
I just feel so bad. This is all normal behavior. And the two older males are really gentle, nice males. They're not brutal. We've had a few that would kill a new buck.
Hmm.
These two, I don't think will do that. Oh, they did a great job.
Which is the dominant one? The brown one?
Which is what?
The dominant
Yeah.
one.
Yeah. He's the one that dominates over the other one too. But the fact,
And you're
I know
selling.
you're filming, so I'm going to be gross, but I'm going to tell you. If you look at both the white bucks, you can see the back of their right front legs are red, or they're yellow,
Mhm.
stained early living. They urinate on themselves
Yeah.
during breeding season, and so the fact that he smells like a buck will keep him from getting molested too badly. You know, they're smelling him and they're saying, "Yeah, you're a boy too." If it was a rather, castrated male, he would be really abused badly until they're sick of him, and then he still would get it. But as long as he smells like a buck, they're not going to abuse him too badly. That sound the red buck is making is a sound he would use on a female in heat. Beautiful, isn't he? And he's not even a year old.
And the one you're selling is this brown one, right?
Yeah, because he's the oldest one we have. His father was the 2017 National Reserve Grand Champion.
Oh, okay.
And so we've used him a lot, but now it's time to move to new blood. Which the white one is our next youngest one. If this was females, they would have beaten him badly by now.
Huh.
We never bring just one new female into the group because the abuse they get from the other females is absolutely brutal.
Wow.
Terrible.
All right. Good luck to him. There he comes. You better know how to fight like Jackie Chan or do some moves like that.
He won't because he's too small compared to them. He will try to fight back, but he'll give up pretty quickly.
Look at the dog. The dog is like